The new Bolero Power SLE comes with a bold styling, a sturdy build and has a dominating on-road presence. A classy grille with a honeycomb mesh makes the tough machine look stylish and even more aggressive. The plush and stylish interiors of the new Bolero Power SLE are a perfect match for the exteriors with dual-tone premium upholstery. Bolero Power SLE is powered by the reliable 1493cc, SOHC, mHAWK D70 engine that offers more power, more mileage and is more peppy. The vehicle comes with 1.5-liter, 4-cylinder, 16 valves, CRDi, diesel engine delivers a maximum power of 70 bhp at 3,600 revolutions per minute and maximum torque of 195 Nm at 1,400 to 2,200 revolutions per minute and paired to a 5-speed manual gearbox. Front supension is IFS coil spring, rear suspension is rigid leaf spring. Overall length of the vehicle is 3,995 mm, overall width is 1,745 mm and overall height is 1,880 mm. Wheelbase of the vehicle is 2,680 mm. Front brake is disc and rear brake is drum. Mileage of the vehicle is 16.5 km per liter. Ground clearance of the vehicle is 180 mm. Minimum turning radius is 5.8 meters. Top speed of the vehicle is 117 km per hour. Fuel tank capacity of the vehicle is 60 liters. Tire size is 215/75R15, tubeless and wheel size is 15-inch. The drop-down center armrest works great for the executive-style middle row and lets you sit back and relax, even on long drives. Now you don't have to get out of your new Bolero Power SLE to open the fuel lid to refuel. The new Bolero Power SLE employs state-of-the-art technology to prevent theft. Thanks to the new encrypted key recognition system, the ECU rejects duplicate keys used to start this SUV. The digital display adds to the ultra-modern style of the interiors and also provides all the information you need at one place. Delhi ex-showroom price of Bolero Power SLE is 7,20,000 Indian rupee. The new Bolero Power SLE comes with an enhanced warranty of 3 years/1 lakh kilometers.